Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME C51 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down a little bit to find the display. Now let's scroll in order to find the screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, we've got relatively short options, so 15 and 30 seconds. And at the bottom, we've got the longest option, which is currently applied, 30 minutes. In order to change the screen timeout, simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick 5 minutes. As you can see, it is marked. And after getting back, you can see that it is also notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of an activity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.